Hey guys, and welcome back to the Chase Racing Garage. Just another quick update on the 1.9 TDI ALH build. Got the cylinder head all refreshed in there, good to go. All new valve seals. Just cleaned up behind the bowls of the valves, like just poured them out a bit. Other than that, everything else is pretty factory. Got the block all put together, painted up. She's coming together pretty good. This here little 180 update. Got the big spa manifold, making that work. And got the little twin scroll manifold on there. Right on, guys. Subscribe for more.